Hey there, in this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the Roblox memory dump error on Windows PC. First of all, click on the Windows search bar. Then search here for command prompt. Now the command prompt tab will appear. And type in ipconfig /flushdns and click to enter. After that, get back to the desktop and tap on the Windows search bar. Then search here for the Run app. Now pass the command in here as sysdm.cpi and click on OK. After that, it will take you to System Properties. Then tap on Advanced Options and click on Settings from the Startup and Recovery. Now choose the Complete Memory Dump and Debugging Information. After that, click on the Windows search bar and search for Apps and Features. Then click on it and search for Roblox in here, and tap to uninstall the app. Lastly, search for Roblox Players in the search bar. And tap to open its file location. Then right-click on its file and click to delete it from here as well. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.